Folks, listen up and listen up real motherfucking good. You digs? Yeah, all across the world, we've been seizing a bunch of fucking Russian oligarchs' boats, properties, vehicles, all kinds of shit. Look at all these motherfucking boats we've been confiscating. This is what we need to do now, okay? We need to sell these fucking boats, their fucking properties, all their apartments. We need to go down to fucking Trump Tower and sell all their fucking goddamn apartments, paintings, cars, vehicles, fucking fancy shoes. We need to tell these motherfuckers on the yachts to get the fuck off the boats because those motherfuckers are gonna go up for sale. Cause let me tell you something, man. I'll be damned if this fucking war is over, bitch, and these Russian oligarchs get all their shit back, and we Americans and other motherfucking countries have to fucking rebuild Ukraine with our goddamn tax dollars when our fucking money could be used for our own fucking cities and citizens. These Russian assholes are gonna have to pay back fucking Ukraine in full. Fuck those motherfuckers. We ain't ending no fucking sanctions or giving back none of their fucking properties until Ukraine is fucking rebuilt. You get what I'm saying? So what we need to do right now, we need to sell their fucking yachts, sell their properties, sell all that fancy shit inside their fucking mansions, whether it be London, Rome, Italy, France, America. Confiscate all their fucking bank accounts, collect all that fucking wealth, and give that shit to Ukraine to rebuild and to buy more fucking weapons. Cause I'll be fucking damned if we sit here and pay fucking Ukraine to rebuild their shit and buy them all kinds of guns and then give these oligarchs, these fucking assholes who've been killing all these Ukrainians. Because look at all these oligarchs right here are gonna split up Ukraine for themselves and got fucking all kinds of nice, wonderful plans. And if they take Donbass and all these other parts of fucking Ukraine, what, you gonna give them all their shit fucking back as a nice little cherry on top? Like, oh, here you go, and don't worry, we're gonna rebuild everything around you, buddy. Blah, blah, blah. Nah, fuck that shit. We need to sell their fucking shit now. Not tomorrow, but fucking now. Joe Biden, grab your little fucking baby nuts and all the other leaders of the fucking world and goddamn sell these motherfuckers bullshit. You understand? Sell all their fucking bullshit right fucking now. Not tomorrow, but fucking right now. Jeffrey Bezos, are you fucking listening? You fucking corporate toolbag piece of shit, useless motherfucker. Why don't you throw in $100 million and buy one of these stupid ass fucking boats and I don't know, jack off in it or fly it into fucking outer space? I don't know. Donate to the fucking cause of what I'm saying, you fucking bald headed fucking useless motherfucker. So what we need to do now is sell these motherfucker shits, give that money to Ukraine, and buy them a shit ton of fucking goddamn javelins, fucking kamikaze drones, baby. All the weapons that Ukraine are asking for are right here in these fucking boats and in these Russian bitches' fucking properties. Sell that shit and give Ukraine all the missiles and ammunition they need. By order of Governor 420, baby. Absolutely.